How did his mother help him? His mother helped people a lot. She encouraged him to learn more and more. She took him to trip. She also bought telescope, microscope, camera, and other equipment for him. Whenever I write nothing be this to be his mother. What lesson does learn when he does not win anything at the science fair? Far. Abrai took a part of science fair. It was a near display. He was a near display of rock tissue. He got the no prize. No prize. Here lies that. Here lies that the winner. Here the real experiment. Did try to a real experiment. So he learned a lesson that only the real experiment would win him to a prize. Near display of things is not real science. Science. What experiment and project does he them undertake? He found the cause of a wild disease that killed old monarchs caterpillars. Next way, his science fair project was his science fair project was mm, testing the theory of or butterfly caterpillars. It was that viceroy butterfly copy monarch. That killed all monarch caterpillar. Next year, his science fair project was testing the theory of butterflies. It was that viceroy butterflies copied monarchs. His next experiment to see whether at monarch. Then he began to research. What are the qualities that go into the making of scientist? The qualities that go into the making of scientist are first rate mind, curiosity, will to win for right reason. Qualities. He found the cause of viral disease that killed all monarch caterpillars in his next project. His next year, his in science far project was testing the theory of all butterfly caterpillars. It was the viceroy butterfly copy monarch. His next experiment to see whether at monarch. Then he began his research. Why do viceroy butterfly copy monarch? What is the similarity between them? The viceroy look like monarch because monarchs don't taste good to bird. Viceroy on the other hand, Why? The so the more they look like monarch, the less likely bird. They become the bird's dinner. The viceroy look like monarch because monarch they look like monarchs. Monarchs don't taste good. Viceroy on the other hand had hand to taste good for bird. So more look like that, the less likely they become the birds. Dinner. Wright main interest was to collect things. He had other interest. He was a champion, debater, and a public speaker. He was a good co con A bright main interest was collecting things. He had other interests too. He was a champion debater and a public speaker. He was a good connoisseur and all-rounder outdoor person. He was also an expert photographer of nature and scientist. Ag- Uh, right main interest was collecting fish. He had other interest to see. Right main interest. Right main interest to collecting things. He had other interest to good and all-rounder outdoor person. He was expert photographer of nature and scientific. Uh, Whatever I continue to advance experiment on the monarch. Hippo. Alright, continue. Alright, continue success in his science fair made him continue to advance experiment. Hmm. His project won third place at the International Science Fair. He also got a chance to work during the summer at the intro. He also work. He also chanced work during the entomology laboratory of the Walter Reed Army Institute of Research. Right, continued success in his science for Fars made him to continue his advanced experiment to monarch. His his project won third place at the International Science Fair. He also got a chance to work during and he also got the chance at to work during the summer at the entomology laboratory of Walter Reed Institute. Why did I write so lose interest to go into the making of scientists at first rate mind curiosity? Why did I Bright soon lost interest in tearing butterflies? It was a tedious job. It was a tedious job. Then there was no feedback. There was no feedback. He tried hard to catch the tagged butterflies. Only two butterflies were captured. Logical puzzle. Well, got the idea for new science theory about cell life. It came to him when he was looking at an X-ray photo of chemical structure of a hormone. This photo gave him the answer to one of biological puzzle. This photo gave him the answer to the one biology. It was how the cell can read the blueprint of DNA. Upright got the upright. The structure of hormone. This photo gave him the answer to the it was how the cell can read of DNA. A bright mother died. A bright father died. A, a bright father died when he was in third grade. Thus he became his mother's third champion. Right father died when he was third grade. Thus he become his mother sole champion. Thus he was his mother's sole companion. He was the only child of in her parents. In his childhood, he was collecting the butterflies. His mother, he also collected rocks, fossils, and coins. He had a drive curiosity with a this she helped him anyway. His mother found him to her. His mother got him a children book called Tarot. That book opened the world science of the right. cell theory. When he was when he was in a high school,